Let me welcome Tulip Joshi on stage, please. Big round of applause. Whoa. So, she's been such an inspiration personally to me and so many women out there. And we really love you and we're proud of everything that you have accomplished. And we want to know more about you. So please, can you speak a few words and we would love to know more.
Good evening, New Jersey. Thank you so much for having me, and it's wonderful meeting all of you beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Sunita Patel, thank you for inviting me. And My Dream TV, Rashmi, Janak Bedi, Surya, Arjun, thank you and thank you and thank you for inviting me and making me a part of your beautiful events. You guys have created this community that's growing day by day, helping one another, supporting each other. Simply wow. Congratulations to all the beautiful participants here. My God, with lovely smiles. You guys have been working hard and been standing here for hours. So, despite all the discomfort, of course. And this takes me back to my Miss India days. When I was a child and, you know, I was called the Space Cadet. I remember we all were starving and can you imagine when no one was watching, I used to quietly go and start stuffing my face. I mean, this is hilarious. But back then, there was so much pressure and scary. Oh my God. And I remember Shah Rukh Khan being my judge. And I was ecstatic that he spoke some nice things about me to the organizers. And I did not realize that I would be heading for Bollywood soon after. Bollywood, a place that gave me an opportunity to express myself as an actor, to dance in the mountains of Switzerland, recognition, admiration, and lifelong friends that I'll always be grateful for. And I was fortunate to have Yash Chopra as my mentor who welcomed me to Bollywood with warmth and respect. And you people out here are blessed to have your mentors in Rashmi and Janak Bedi. A big round of applause to Rashmi and Janak Bedi.
Woo!
Life constantly throws challenges at every way you can imagine. Trying to stay afloat, and then boom, all of a sudden you're on the limelight. Trying to be your best, to be accepted, to fit in, to excel, the endless cycle of expectations surrounding us, dictating how things should look, sound, feel, act. Secluded from reality, chasing success, you then start mirroring people. And then at some point start becoming someone else, moving far away from who you are. I question myself. Who am I? What do I want? What do I want to be or not? I wanted to know my true identity and I yearned for silence. I said I need a compass, my own little temple, a sacred routine, tools such as yoga, meditation, helping me stay grounded, keeping me sane, helping me sane through the complexities of this chaotic life. I delved into Vedic sciences in 2005, that's 20 years ago, and that became a part of me. My grounding became my life, and today I'm a Vedic consultant. You can look me up on my website, tulipjoshi.com. Practicing Jyotish, that gave me the direction to find myself, and following Jnana Yoga, a disciplined lifestyle where I live intuitively and healthy, if I may say so. I practice, I'm committed to my sadhana, that's discipline, tapas, that's practiced by repeating, and follow a unique lifestyle tailored to my constitution. When I say unique to my constitution, I believe one size does not fit all. For instance, I love the concept of having raw foods. It's a high pranic diet. But I fall sick when I follow that. And this is unique to me because it increases my Vata dosha quotient. Then there is another phenomena wherein my gifts allow me to cross over 100 sun salutations, and that boosts my ego and I feel great being connected to my subtle body. Beautiful, right? However, crossing a few salutations to me harms me because I get excess heat and anger issues, which is not me at all. I believe each one of us is unique, our paths are unique, and we need to follow a lifestyle that suits us. And if we do not recognize that, these issues will escalate and snowball not only into physical ailments, but mental health and confidence struggles. So with absolute practice of self-mastery, Jnana Yoga and Jyotish, that helps me through the darkest of my times, also help me realize and experience the meaning of Satchitanand, Sat Chit Anand. The true state of consciousness is blissful, eternal, and within us. And that the ultimate success is to recognize it. Recognizing the divinity from within is the true measure of success. So ladies, go out there and follow your heart. Embrace the uniqueness of your own path and be yourself. Don't forget who you are, that special someone. And go and laugh. And laugh because that's the true state of consciousness. And laugh and find yourself. And say, Aham Brahmasmi. I am divine. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Tulip. And I can see our audience is pumped up looking at your gorgeous girl. Isn't she gorgeous? Woohoo! You're looking stunning. A complete package of beauty with brain, right? Grace and charm. So beauty defines Tulip, and Tulip, you're gorgeous. You're stunning, looking very nice, and I love your outfit. Looking fab. And it's so nice to have you with us. Now I feel you are like my family member. Thank you so much. Yeah, we have to move forward. Yeah, thank you so much. Tulip, please, I want you here. Yes, please come, Moana. No, you cannot sit. You have to help me. Thank you. All right, Sunita, Sushmita, Nolakha, please come. And Konjit also, I want you. Yeah. Mohana, please start giving me awards, please. Divya, you can also come in this side, yeah. All right, so can we have Dr. Sunita Patel from Millennium Silk Skin and Laser for supporting us and for the Best Business of the Year Award for 2025. Congratulations. Thank you. You can please line up here. We can have a group picture also. Can we have Sushmita Kumari? She is opening new store at Oak Tree, guys. And the name is Nolakha. Wo kisko nahi chahiye. So Nolakha Jewelers, Best Business of the Year goes to Sushmita Kumari. Congratulations. And the award for Women of the Year goes to Dr. Parinda Parekh. Dr. Parinda Parekh, where are you? Our doctor, our star of New Jersey, New York. Showstopper for Moda Glam by Preeti Amara. I'm right. Good job. This you have to give me. Here she comes, my gorgeous Shraddha. Congratulations. And the next award for Women of the Year award goes to Shraddha Khare. Dr. Parinda, stay here. Dr. Parinda. Shilpa. Can we have Shilpa Dhawan from Lashkara? Shilpa Dhawan from Lashkara, are you here? Stay here. Shilpa Dhawan, my gorgeous girl, where are you? Okay, she must be coming. Maybe she's wearing her crown. Okay, can we have the Sudipta Pati? Women of the Year award goes to Sudipta Pati. Thank you so much for supporting, dear. And the next award goes to Pinky Kaur. Thank you, Pinky, for supporting us. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. And she is our classic winner also of New Jersey pageant. And this is what our queens are known for, supporting each other. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. So by the time we are announcing the awards for Mrs. Universe contestant, get ready for the crowning. And the next award for Women of the Year award goes to Archana Selvaraj. Congratulations. Thank you, congratulations, dear. And the next award goes to Women of the Year award, of course, none other than our Vice President of New York, New Jersey pageant, Divya Frank. Woohoo! Thank you, Divya, I love you. Thank you so much. And do we have anybody from ITV Gold? Is Mr. Sareen here or anybody from ITV Gold? All right, so maybe I'm going to take on their behalf. Without media, we are incomplete, right? Okay, Shilpa Dhawan, are you here? Oh my God, how come she's missing? She was super excited. Maybe I'll have to take on her behalf too. Okay, Shilpa, on behalf of Lashkara. Thank you. And the next award goes to Atik Sheikh of World Star for Best Promoter, of course, in USA. So he is also not here. He left, but I'm going to take on his behalf too. Thank you. All right, so now comes Mohana. Ame, can you please join us? Okay, for the best designer of the year goes to Mohana Namle, my Moda Glam, and I would like Preeti also to join us, please. Preeti, are you here, sweetheart? Okay, my designers are busy today. All right, let's go. All right, so state directors here. Can we have all my state directors on stage, please? Konjit Muchala. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you, dear. We can have a group picture. Dr. Parinder Parikh. Today you're collecting all the awards like Femina, right? Thank you so much. Can we have Sudipta Pati, our State Director? Thank you, dear. Can we have Ishika Tumsi, our State Director, my gorgeous teen and national winner? Super proud of you, dear. So proud of you. Shraddha Khare, our State Director. What a journey, Shraddha. All right, and the last goes to Suruchi Khale. Are you here? Thank you so much for your support, Suruchi. Thank you so much. And of course, Mohana, you should come here, I think so. Yeah, come to me. Come to me when I call you. Okay, again, this certificate is for the Vice President Divya Mowar. Divya Frank. How come I remember Divya Mowar? Next award goes to our judges, right? Srinidhi Kantle. Can I have you here? Can I have all my judges backstage, please? That was something. Janak Bedi, can we have you on stage, please? Srinidhi Kantle, can you please step forward, Tulip? Yes. Idhar aan gire. Can we have Sushmita Chauhan? Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Line up here, we can have a good picture with you. And the next goes to Sindhuja Kumar. And the next goes to Vinita Thakkar. Sindhuja. Line. Thank you. Next we have Vinita Thakkar. Can we have Sanchi Parekh on stage, please? Thank you, Sanchi.
You look so pretty.
Can we have Rubina Kohli? Thank you so much for giving our special time. Of course, I know it. Time is so precious. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Can we have Pallavi Javale on stage, please? Pallavi Javale in her sizzling red gown. Here she comes, our beauty queen. Can we have Shraddha Khare? Thank you so much, Shraddha. Can we have Sudipta Pati? I think so. जल्दी होगा, हमसे भी गले मिलने में टाइम लगा। You give. इधर आ जा, हम दूर हो जाते हैं ताकि जल्दी जल्दी दे। And do we have someone from Royal Albert Palace for Best Business Award and always supporting my dream? Thank you so much, Albert ji. Do we have someone from Royal Albert Palace? Sushmita Somi Reddy, you can join till the time someone join us from Albert. Thank you, Sushmita, for your love and support. We have Vaishali Mehre. Vaishali Mehre. Okay, from Royal Albert we have someone. Thank you so much, Albert ji, once again. Yes, please. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Vaishali Mehre is not here. Can we have Rohini Masoor on stage? Thank you, Rohini. Can we have Suruchi Kale?
Thank you so much. It's my birthday gift, ma'am, no?
I know. Can we have Prakruti? Thank you, Prakruti, for coming here and giving your time for judging. Thank you so much. Can we have Sunita? Thank you, Sunita. Dr. Sunita. Thank you. Can we have Zankana, our makeup artist? Divya, you can take on her behalf. Zankana. Can we have makeup by Nisha? Someone is here. Divya, you can take on her behalf makeup by Nisha. Can we have Nirali Patel on stage? Thank you, Nirali. Can we have Pinky Kaur? Thank you, Nirali. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pinky. Can we have Archana Selvaraj? Arpita is not here. Thank you, Arpita. Oh, no, Arpita. Can we have Ash Pense and Dr. Akash also? Okay, Dr. Akash, can we have you? Thank you. Thank you so much for judging Miss Bharat, New York, New Jersey. Can I have my Mrs. Bharat, New Jersey 2024 winner, Divya Sharvastava? Here she comes, my gorgeous girl.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Can we have Konjit Mochala? Thank you so much for your time, dear, for judging. Thank you. Can we have Mani Karnika? Is she here? Mani Karnika, thank you so much, dear. Navyata Sarkar, thank you so much for your time. Can we have Jacqueline? She's not here. Thank you so much. Can we have Ishika Thumsi? for being one of the best hosts. Bored with you. Just go. Okay, can we have Preeti for the best designer of the year? Preeti Amara by My Moda Glam. Can we have Amay on stage for helping and supporting us always and for being such a strong pillar for my dream? Can we have Snehal on stage for being one of the best hosts? She is my winner of Miss Bharat New Jersey 2024. So here comes my gorgeous and stunning girl. Thank you so much, dear. Can we have Priyanka on stage, please? Thank you, Priyanka, for your time. Thank you so much. Here comes my beauty queen. Thank you. Thank you, Divya. Can you join us? Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. And here we finish our awards for today. I know it's you feel it's a lot of time consuming and you want to go home. It's been a long day, but you can understand it's not easy to judge, and they have been giving the special time. Of course, they would have done a lot better, but I think so this is the best thing they could have thought that they are doing today. Am I right? And we feel so honored to have all of you with us. Thank you so much. Thank you, Divya. We can have a group picture quickly and let's start our crowning. Mrs. Universe contestant, get ready. Thank you so much, and we will start our crowning. We'll start calling you on stage. So please, you can go backstage, and we would need your help for crowning, of course. Yeah. Surya Bedi, can we have you on stage, please? Surya Bedi and Ankita Patel. Please, can we have you, the very important person of my dream family? Tulip, we want you here. You're not exiting. Ankita Patel, thank you. Oh, okay. Come, Surya and Ankita. Step forward, please. Come on. Thank you, Surya Bedi, for always supporting us. And we are so proud of you. The magazine you have launched is so good, and you're giving so much of limelight to our queens. Tulip, this goes to Surya Bedi. And here comes Ankita Patel, right hand of my dream family, a very strong pillar. Thank you so much for your time. It really means a lot. No, I'm not giving you. Tulip will give you today. Thank you. Okay, all right. Thank you, guys. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Kar. Thank you, everyone. So we are doing a special crowning. Mohana, you have the results for Mrs. Universe. Can you check? Maybe Ankita, she has the... All my Mrs. Universe contestants, please join us. Can I have Shruti, Varsha, Namrata, Swapnili, All right, so let's start our crowning for Mrs. Universe contestants Swapnili, Purvi, Shruti. Come guys, come line up here. Come Namrata, Varsha, one is, and Nicole. Nicole, can we have you on stage? Thank you, Senjuja. Thank you. Okay, Divya.
Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're on my side. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
Shraddha Khare, are you here? Shraddha Khare.